way to Seoul.
But before anything else, we need to like wait muna guys before our flight time.
The front door is opening.
Welcome to Seoul.
Annyeonghaseyo guys. Annyeonghaseyo. Annyeong mga mashiket. Charot. So yeah guys, so like we're here in Incheon International Airport and we just arrived kaninang what time, girl? So we just arrived ng mga 6:30.
46.
And super funny kasi we know that we have a trip pero like we're not super prepared for it. Kasi like
Hindi kasi di naman natin first time din.
yeah, it's not our first time though, but like alam mo yun, like di ba usually you prepare. Actually kami ni Chi kahapon lang din kami nagpack. No, Sunday lang kami nagpack and then si Chi kahapon lang siya nagpack. So parang itutuloy pa ba natin to? Pero like yeah, since natuloy naman siya. It feels good to be back actually. Because like it's my third time na now and it's Chi's what? Third time as well. And it's my first time na kasama siyang mag-Seoul. Because like I've... Seoul? Yeah. Because I've been traveling with her in Singapore and in Taipei.
Bakit naisip ko kasama kita sa Seoul? First time
Ano
ka
mukha niya?
mag-Seoul?
No, it's our first time na mag-Seoul. Tapos nakakatawa kasi parang like, okay, so like I'm preparing the itinerary, ganyan. Since it's it's not our first time anymore, so wala na kami masyadong touristy. Ang gusto lang namin ngayon is makapunta ng Airbnb, makapagpahinga, magtanga-tangahan somewhere. Alam mo yun? And then like, mag-Dak Galbi, that's like the main, thing in the itinerary. And like, syempre, gusto muna din namin mag-settle in sa Airbnb. And then later after that, ang gagawin lang namin today is like, guys, like chill. As in like, we promised to ourselves na, okay, this 5-day trip is like, it's gonna be like, chill lang dapat. Walang masyadong, alam mo yon, masyadong nangyayari sa buhay. Gusto lang namin na magpahinga kasi
Hindi tayo gigising ng 6 a.m.
hindi na ako ganon. I'm a changed person. Charot. So, yun lang. The situation right now in the airport is like, eto, nag-aantay lang kami ng time. We will be leaving by 9 a.m. here para at least pagdating namin ng location ng Airbnb, sakto lang kami. And siguro by the time na in-upload ko na tong vlog na to, nalaman na to ng buong sambayanan. Kasi hindi ko siya, like wala may alam din na nag-Seoul ako. But then again, yeah, what I'm looking forward to this trip is just a chill vacation. Just, a laid-back one. I'm not a fan of like that itinerary anymore. It's more of like, just seize the moment lang and tas nakakatawa kanina like sumakit na yung mga tuhod. Ang ginawa lang namin ay umupo lang kami kaninang 4 hours na biyahe. Paglapag namin dito Dahil parang yung mga tuhod namin biglang nanigas, parang nanibago sa environment. Like,
mag-stretching.
is this Tagalog talaga? And I told Chi din naman na parang yung energy natin before is not the same ngayon. Even though we exercise a lot, they do cardio, like we work out. It's not the same anymore. So, we need to be gentle, we need to be nicer with our bodies. Kaya yun ang gagawin natin ngayon sa trip na to. We will be nicer to ourselves. We will be nicer na wala muna masyado magsha-shopping. Ay, si Chi, medyo delikado yan. Kasi nalaman niya na may promo yung Jin Air na meron kaming free 5 kg na check-in na we all know 15 kilos lang. So ngayon nagkaroon kami ng 5 additional free. So akala ko mark safe na ako. Si Bakla, feeling ko, kung makikilagay siya. Kaya yun guys, we're gonna update and I'm so excited to like, you know, to roam around and to feel Korea again. And the weather here is, weather update, it's not winter anymore. Hindi namin masabi kasi hindi pa kami lumabas. But again, it's not super like peak winter. It's more of like patawid na siya ng spring. Purchased our bus tickets here at the station. 감사합니다. We just arrived here in our Airbnb, guys. It's really like a challenge going up here because like it's an uphill place. So she opened the door na. We're gonna tour you around later, but like first we need to settle in these 2 luggages that we have right now. They also have like a Michelin guide here for Seoul and Busan. Yes! We're out sa aming Airbnb because
We're out and about.
yeah, we are going to buy. At yung maganda sa aming Airbnb, kay malapit siya sa 7-Eleven. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo, guys. Nakakatawa like yung mga suot namin, guys. Pero yung mga tao dito parang sa Tagalog. Look at our suot. Ganda dyan, abad. Cute. Ate, gitapak yung pamangawan tao. There. Woo. Show them the cherry blossom. Ito yung cherry blossom lang naman sa neighborhood namin. Like, this is Tagalog talaga.
Kaya mag-smile ka pa akin.
7 near our Airbnb. Sobrang convenient. Kaya nga siya tinawag na convenience store eh.
24 hours so close man.
Ay, gayang 1 a.m. Pwede na yan.
Yan na yung naman, friend.
Diba? Hala, biste. Ano ba to? Guys, na-scam kami. Hindi siya totoo. So guys, it's a prank. Yung 7-Eleven dito is totoo naman siya pero like ang konti lang ng stock. So like hindi kami makabili ng water and all like the necessities. So hanap na lang kami. Oo, around there. Siguro let's explore the neighborhood muna. Where? Di? Doon pa yan ang mga nalaman. Guys, first order of business for sure. Mega coffee. She's so far, how was your experience like navigating our Airbnb? Walang tubig.
Ano, 16 degrees. T-shirt dito.
It's 16 degrees but like look what are we or what we are?
What are we?
What we're wearing. Oh. But again, we're going to the GS25 first. And then meron ditong Bakes Coffee. Awayan yung dano mo. You know what guys, what's very beautiful with our location is that we are surrounded by a lot of coffee shops. Like there's Compose, there's Mega Coffee, meron pang, what do you call this? Like, right now we are in GS25, we are like looking for something to eat because like we're hungry. Parang naglilihi ata tong kasama ko. So, eto ang aming gagawin ngayon, guys. Bibili kami niyan at saka ng Amerikano. Talagang paghahaluin at para naman talaga.
Wala akong manyaman maglutong spaghetti. Dagat ang flavor na pinili mo. Dapat yung plain.
Joke lang, mali pa nga ng flavor yung nakuha namin, guys. Okay, pinali ko mo siya, guys. Ito. Alit niya ito.
Ice banana latte.
Namukha, muntik na maging ice Americano.
Masarap siya sa akin.
That's what makes us Pinoy. Yeah, parang nga namang full-time content creator. Mega coffee! Eh! Mag-ingay! Okay guys, so while we're exploring...
First
we're-
time in Seoul, Rizal.
Oh!
Parang
So yeah, so what I'm saying is like, upon exploring our neighborhood, doon namin na-realize na maganda naman pala siya. Like, kasi kanina na-judge namin na parang, bakit parang nasa ano tayo? Bantay bata. Sorry. So yan, marami kaming katabi na mga samgyupsalan, mga kapehan. Yun nga lang, kailangan na namin bumalik kasi natatain na kami. Ay, wow! So kanina, kasi nga akala namin bibili kami ito sa 7-Eleven kanina. So ang suot lang namin ay tsinelas at ganito. Yung mga nakakasalubong namin dito, naka-trench coat, naka-ano. Kami ang kakapal ng mukha namin. Talagang t-shirt lang. She is prepping for the duck galbi. O nga, parang ano naman nito? Ano ba to? Ba't di pa tanggalin to? Sorry. Yun. Dito tayo sa left. I think it's here. Tama. Yeah, so we're on our way to the Dak Galbi shop because she has been, you know, wanting to eat Dak Galbi ever since we stepped foot here in Seoul. So like we're here in Hongdae and medyo malapit na kaming madamage kasi nandito kami sa shoppingan. Na para bang dapat naka-mark safe tayo pero hindi. Stronger na that I believe.
Sikat na.
At the Changin Dak Galbi, where premium cheese Dak Galbi is found. Okay. This is our meal, guys. Dak Galbi is here. Kasi ka pa. Guys, right now we're here at Yoido Park and sobrang lamig na parang kala mo matetegi. Na para bang last day on earth mo na sa sobrang lamig. Nabaho. Lamig kasi naman. Ako. Mutay na lang. So guys, the hunt for Pochang is still ongoing. Ewan ko dito sa kasama ko, gusto niya ma-full. Ay! Baka niyan. So the search for Pocha continues.
No video.
Yeah, no video. Sabi pa nung bugaw ko kanina. So we just want to live the Korean fantasy of like, you know, yung kasi aming feel, di ba malamig, yung papasok kami dun sa Pocha, tas super maglalasing kami, tas parang may mapapa-hour, magsusuntukan. Mga ganong Kemerut na fantasy. 641 yun. Guys, we saw Pocha there. Finally. What are we getting? Oh my gosh. Fantasy.
Fantasy SG.
감사합니다. My sis is a pro. Wow. Oh my gosh, this is the life. Good morning. It is our second day here in Seoul and we just woke up. And the time is 9 o'clock a.m. Dai. We alarmed ng mga 8 pero dai, never mind the alarm clock. Like, why are we rushing life? This is the life that we want to live. Tapos, ito pa yung challenge, guys, kasi di ba medyo maganda yung weather. Tapos yung kama sobrang lambot. Tapos yung comforter din, parang kang nilalamon na para bang, guys, eto, sige, ito-demo niya. This is how
alam ba to?
This is how soft our bed.
yung comforter pa.
Oo. Tapos ito pa nakakatawa, isa pa kaming bed. So, paano ka bang...
Ikot yarn sa bed.
Oo, talagang pwede kang mag-circus-circus dyan. Buti na lang, hindi kami masyadong nagmamadali. So, parang like, okay, kiber. So, today then, may paparating kaming friends, pero hindi namin sila kasama dito. Like, nagkataon lang din na may Korea trip sila Chick and Hazel. So, we're gonna meet them later. Pero kung tinatamad kami, bahala na kayo dyan. Kung ma-watch nyo to, charot. Nag-chat sila kaninang morning, nag-anyo nga sa'yo sila. Tapos, parang, I was still like sleeping. Or parang inantok pa ako, so parang like, mamaya ako naka-reply kasi sobrang antok. Feeling ko na kaya sobrang, ang tawag dito? Sobrang pagod kami kasi syempre super lakad talaga dito, Jai. Oh.
Lakad talaga papuntang Airbnb.
Yeah. Tapos, nakita nyo naman paano yung lakad, yung struggle nung lakad namin papunta tsaka pabalik ng Airbnb. Talagang uphill siya, dahil tinalo ang Marcos Highway. Talagang kaya, the best ka talaga sa exercise. So today, ang aming gagawin lang naman is like, what's our itinerary for races? So today, what we're gonna do lang is like, super chill lang din ulit. We're gonna like go to the Sosula, something like that. Sosula Hill. And then, we're just gonna grab like a coffee, brunch somewhere. So she got her get ready with me corner over there. Ito ang ating main character. Let's go.
It's day 2.
안녕하세요. So we are now here in Bukchon, in Little Sparrow because we are here for dapat brunch. But then again, it's lunch na. So like, dapat lunch na to, hindi na brunch. Mali.
Eh, kasi nag-order ako ng mushroom toast. Kasi yung egg niya is poached egg. Eh, hindi ako kumakain ng yellow na egg. Tapos yung mga raw, ganyan. So, tinry ko tanong, pwede ko ba pa scrambled egg? Tapos, no. Eh, di wag. Share ko lang.
Okay guys, so if you wanna scout some very good deals of socks, you go to Bukchon Yohei and you sing "It's Going Up." Charis. 감사합니다.
When someone sings that song, I'll know that it's
That
you.
is me because
Okay.
yeah.
Your friend.
Going up like that. 감사합니다.
Bye.
Bye, sis. I told you that listen to my told. Binaring na naman kami dun. Akala mo naman talaga. Akala nila, sabi ko kasi I'm a celebrity in the Philippines. So sabi naman nila, oh, amazing.
Hindi niya pa ako tinatawag.
Iced coffee break here at Naga.
Peach iced tea for me.
Because like she is,
I'm thirsty. I want something refreshing. Yung bang iced americano, merong dito? Asa mapagpangga?
no, I think in other cafe they have that.
Is there cafe like, is this?
Tagalog. I love it.
Ang tamis.
It's just so sample like. Namataan di umano ng aming team na gumagastos na naman sila. Guys, meron ditong bata na tinitingnan ako ng masama. Tinignan ko din siya ng masama, sabi ko magiging kang bakla. Guys, say hi naman. Ito ang ating mga friends from the feeling. Kala mo naman talaga ay nag-abroad.
Lahat na ba?
Kiss.
Ay.
Nagkiss-kissan pa nga. How sa TikTok? Ako na nga.
Ulitin natin kasi nagkamali tayo dun sa last.
Ito ka ako si Vortex eh. Hi! Everyone! Say hi guys! 먹겠습니다. 네, 맛있게 드세요.
Sarap naman ito dito.
Kanyaman! Okay, let's update. Hi naman kayo dyan, mga ka-Olive Youngers. Feeling yung Olive Youngers. Oh, pakita damage. Damage reveal. Oh, hindi. Gusto ko yung pinaka number 1 talagang number 1 student natin tonight. Yes, i-unbox mo na tonight. So, right now, we're here in Jongno 3. And kakatapos lang namin mag-Olive Young run. We are going to like to check some like pochang and make some like alak-alak there because like we want to get drunk tonight. Feeling. So we found a spot. We're here at stall number 23 kay ate.
Yan ang balan eh.
Yes, o tayo na mag-inom. Kombe! Yee! Let's go. Good morning mga idol.
Good morning.
So it's our day 3. Really? So it's our day 3 in Seoul. And the weather is pretty good. Well, may truck, wait lang, baka mategi mari. So the weather is pretty good. We did some revision lang sa aming not super strict itinerary today. Because today sana, the first dapat is we'll go to Sajangpyeong, Kemeru. Gangyum. It's a province. Pero sabi namin na parang baka it's not gonna be worth it if we're gonna go there. Lalo na, we're just here for like few days. So, syempre, tas ang mahal din ng train. So, paano? Okay, let's alter it. So, the next plan sana is we'll go to Yunpyong Village. But then again, based the weather, it'll gonna rain tomorrow. So, baka hindi namin maabutin yung other cherry blossom spots. So, why not, like, palitan ulit and we'll go to Hapjeong today because we've been seeing a lot of videos on TikTok na is this Tagalog? At ang atin yung ay nakapagpulot po siya today.
Yes.
Totoo
Pero
yun.
after lunch, wala na yan. Kasi wala akong dalang hairspray.
So, we are focusing on the volume. We're just gonna give you a preview of like ano yung tinatahak namin everyday papunta at pauwi ng Airbnb. We're gonna video cheat going down, okay?
Masakit sa tuhod.
Masakit siya sa tuhod kasi syempre you're like controlling your steps, right? So it's like that. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so we just arrived here in Hapjeong because we are still on a cherry blossom hunt. So we've searched, na para bang kala mo parang mga Pokemon na hinahunt yan. Pero again, yeah, so like, tinignan namin to sa TikTok and like, Hazel and Chic will be meeting them here. So, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Like, is this Tagalog? Baka mag-compose ka muna. Charing. Yeah, hindi siya ma-justify kasi walang just. That we did not expect doing.
Sorry, gusto ko ng
So she likes like spam and rice.
Gusto ko ng spam.
And thankfully, they have here in GS 25 ng rice. And that's okay. Thank you, mother. Yeah, thank you, mother. See, okay, that's how it is. Pistachio cream. Cash?
Cash, okay. 8,700
Update, we're here at Songsu. And, well, kanina pa kami here. Naghiwa-hiwalay kami because, like, we have, like, different, what do you call this, interests of, like, things. So, ginawa namin, nag-spread out muna kami. Binigyan namin ng time ng isa't isa, and then we check items that interest us. So, yeah, I'm here now in the park. I'm like eating here. So, mamaya, we will meet ng 7 p.m. for dinner. And, yeah, I just checked a few items. And we're all good. Is this the Gaelic? Wow! Magandang gabi. Tayo po ay naguulat dito sa Sokchon Lake at namamataan ang mga oat na nagkakagulo dahil sa cherry blossom. Are you liking this song so far? If so, this opportunity may be for you. Good morning, everyone. Ay, good afternoon na pala. Sorry. It's 1:33 p.m. and I woke up late. I woke up sick. I slept sick. Anong araw na to, te? This is our day 4 here in Seoul, and we decided na umalis na lang ng not so early because like we're gonna check some items lang naman in Dongdaemun. And after that, we're gonna meet Hazel and Chic sa Myeongdong because they live or like they're staying around Myeongdong area. Last night, I really didn't feel so good. I was sick. Feeling ko it's a flu. I woke up kaninang maaga because like I was like ino-oras ko yung aking mga gamot, and then when I woke up kanina, I feel kind of bit like better. So, ayun. Ang aking nurse, guys, yeah, she took care of me kanina because like she bought pagkain. And then I feel so good na ngayon, te. nila, ha?
Guys, we're stand.
Okay, thank you.
감사합니다. Where are we?
We're at a random K-dumpling restaurant
Why? Why are we here?
because we're hungry. Nagdaanan lang namin, ayun o, yun yung poster. Mukha siyang appetizing.
So, ganun kadali. Ganun kami ka-spontaneous.
Yeah. Sisimba kami dapat, pero kakain.
Learned? Charis.
Yes, 주세요. 감사합니다.
Guys, that's Myeongdong. Lots of people. Oh my gosh.
Papunta na Campana?
Good morning! Nakikita ka ba, sis?
Last full show ng mga bading.
It's not really last full day. It's like we still have like full day tomorrow, but it's just that we are checking out early para we can like store our luggage dun sa Airbnb ni na Chic. But then again, we still have like a full day tomorrow. At least we can leave like 5 p.m. or like later going to the airport. But yeah, so our itinerary for today is ang laging naka-cancel na Yunpyong Village. So we've been planning to go there since Wednesday or Thursday. But like
natin kung makakarating kami today.
so i-check lang namin kung makakarating kami today. Cause like checking the weather last night, it like they say it's raining today, but thank God it's not. So yeah. We're gonna update you once we arrive there, guys. We arrived here at Yunpyong.
이거 주세요.
아, 네.
네.
미디엄 or large?
미디엄.
미디엄, 바닐라.
이거
바닐라, 오케이.
카드.
Alright.
감사합니다. 네. Yes. We're on our way to dinner. And naisipan namin mag-grab kasi sobrang dami. Naligo? Took the grab and we're now on our way to dinner.
Wala kasi tinry kitang here pang sa ini. Tapos pili ko
So yeah, it's really like we're loving the weather. To be honest, it's really cool. It's really good. Piso panda na day. Ba't ano ko mayari yan? Hey guys! Another cute night with these two.
Final day, final night.
Yeah, it's the final night, guys. So, yeah, this is our last night here in Seoul. So, we're having barbecue night here in Gangnam. Here in Myeongdong at Hanam Pig. So, this is very famous. This is very famous. Char. Ang cute naman, they're very organized. Ang organized ng pagluluto nila. Look how organized they are. Yes, tiramisu. Hey. Ay mo, Brea. Gag. It's so cold tonight. It is. Can we like daan doon? Hindi. Feeling ko parang same. Sarap. Why not explore? Nabigyan sila. Good morning. So this is our last day here in Seoul and we are checking out now early because we are going to Shik's place in Hazel's. We're gonna leave our stuff there kasi meron pa naman kaming like time because like our flight is like mamaya pa naman. We are so much happy with this place. We fell in love with this place. It's been our home for the past few days. So we're gonna miss this. It's really home for us. So we are leaving the place clean and tidy. We also segregated the trash. And then the towels. And then this is the entertainment area. And then our room. So cute. Here are luggages. Grand finals. Yeah, we walked like 800 meters.
apat lang.
Goodbye!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Till our next
Yeah, our
trip.
soul
Our soul
parents.
parents.
So this
Thank
is our
you.
last day here. We're going
my
to... We're on our way to the airport. Mag-iyak-iyak, tas mamaya, bukas magkakasama din naman sa... Ayan! This is the end of our soul trip. Soul, you've been so
Not
good
the
to
end
us.
for us.
Yeah,
Just
well,
halfway.
ito kakaumpisa pa lang nila kasi like they're staying here for 2 weeks. So, yes. See you on the next vlog. So, hey guys, this is it. This is the end of our soul trip. Why are you crying, girl? Emotional pa to.
I'm not yet ready to do soul check.
I'm not ready. I'm not yet ready to work. But it's been really like a fun 5 days with her. And I'm hoping to repeat this trip with you, girl. So we hope you enjoy this vlog and
See you on the next trip.